Is in a mushti and a pataka. Here, hold it up and diagonally across, and the feeling of triumph. The second time it's repeated again, and the horns, yes, and now as though you're trying to throw the rope and pull. Now hold the head suddenly with force and kill. That's right. Now this is the angle that would really, here's the head, and this, the head is a bit too big. Okay, we'll take it here. Yeah, we kill it here. This particular Jayanti or a prayer has been dedicated to Durga with stories that tell us about why she was created, how she was created, who created her, and what was the purpose and how did she actually win the war against the evil. The entire Vandana is in Sanskrit, which is why I would like to sort of explain it to you into some words so that your abhinay and your technique is incorporated with a synthesis that will be more useful for all of you. The first segment is where you have your hands together up here. Try and lift your chin up, not the eyes, just the chin up in this direction. Yes. Look almost, if your head was down and this was parallel, just lift your chin up. That's it. You don't need to lift your eyes up. Then you take 4 steps forward as though you were holding a platter in your hand and your hand here on your right. 4 and a 2, 2, 3, 4 and join in. Now the footwork. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Bhagavati Devi